Simple beef cutlet in 20 minutes. Very easy cutlet recipe. Just try this yummy recipe and enjoy it. Let's move to the video. In a cooker, take 400 grams of beef without bones. Add 1 teaspoon oil, 1 teaspoon meat masala, half teaspoon salt, 1/4 cup of water. Mix it well. Close the lid. Cook on medium flame for 5 whistles. After 5 whistles, switch off the flame. Leave it rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we can open the lid. Beef has cooked well. Drain the water by squeezing with your hands. Transfer it into a grinder jar. Post grind it. Keep aside for later use. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Then add 2 medium-sized chopped onion, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 3 chopped green chillies, some curry leaves. Serve it on medium flame for 3 minutes. We don't want to change the color to golden color. We just need to saute it until it becomes soft. Now keep it low flame before adding the masalas. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon Garam Masala powder, half teaspoon meat masala, 1.5 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Saute it on low flame for a minute. Then add 2 boiled and mashed potatoes. Also the crushed beef to it. Mix it well. Now switch off the flame. You can check the salt level and add more salt based on your needs. Transfer it into a bowl. Mix it well with your hands nicely. Now spread some oil in your hands and then take the mix and make cutlet shapes like this.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Now we need 1 beaten egg and breadcrumbs for coating. First we need to dip the shape mix in the egg batter and then coat with the breadcrumbs. Now we can fry them. In a pan, take 4 tablespoons oil and heat it. When the oil is in hot, add the coated pieces and fry them on medium flame. Make sure the oil is hot before dipping them. Fry until it turns to light golden brown color. Transfer them into a serving plate. Simple beef cutlet in 20 minutes. Very easy cutlet recipe. Just try this yummy recipe. You will really enjoy it.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.